guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am going to be starting a new series of like meal prep because I am starting a full-time job, so I need something for my lunches. So this week I am going to be making white chicken chili. So this is everything that you need. I have here white onion, a green pepper, some fat-free cream cheese, chicken broth. I chose to use reduced sodium, corn, green diced chilies, great northern beans, cilantro. These are optional, but tortilla strips, some half and half, any vegetable that you choose. I'm going to be using some celery and then chicken. If you want to make this like a non-meat version, you can just skip the chicken and just add extra beans, whatever you prefer. But I'm going to show you guys exactly how I make this. Just throw it in your crock pot and it'll take, you know, you just let it cook and
it does its own thing.
So I'm going to show you guys how I make this. Okay, you guys, so I have my 3 chicken breasts in the crock pot already, and then I went ahead and I cut up onions, cilantro, onions, celery, and green pepper. The cilantro, the half and half, and the cream cheese, I'm going to leave those out, and same with the tortilla strips. So what you're going to do is just drain and rinse your beans, add your diced green chilies, your corn, your reduced sodium chicken broth, and all your veggies. So I'm going to go ahead and add all of our veggies. I did pre-wash them, trim them up, and then just dice them up. We're going to add our corn, and then just add the corn. And then add your beans. Drain and rinse these, and now you can just go ahead and add them. You can use any beans you like, white kidney beans, but the Great Northern beans are essentially like white kidney beans. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some diced green chilies. And now you're going to add 1 3/4 cup of chicken broth. I chose to use low sodium like I had stated before. So essentially like 2 cups, a little under 2 cups. Like that. And now we're gonna add our seasoning. So the seasoning you will need: ground cumin, sweet paprika, Lowry seasoned salt, crushed red pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, chili powder, black pepper. Okay, so for seasonings you'll need 1 teaspoon of Lowry seasoned salt. You need 2 teaspoons of cumin, however you pronounce it. So this is just a half, so I just do 2 of these. You need 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and I'm just going to add what I have left because there's like nothing left. 2 teaspoons of chili powder. My camera is dying, you guys, so I'm sorry if this cuts out, but. And then you just need some salt, pepper, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika and half a teaspoon of crushed red peppers. You guys, here it is with all the spices, the seasoning, the chicken broth. I'm just going to stir it up just a little bit, and then we're going to put this on high for 5 hours because it is 4 p.m. and I just got around to making this. So around 9 p.m. I am going to come back to this, putting it on high. Around 9 p.m. like I said, I'm going to come back to this. I will be adding my half and half and our fat-free cream cheese. And then at that time, I will take the chicken out, shred it, and I will show you guys exactly how I do that. Hey you guys, so it is now 9:30 at night and it's done cooking, but I just shredded my chicken, so that is in a big bowl.
Shred it.
So here is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Let me put my flash on. We need some lighting under our things here, but so this is what it's looking like. Super delicious. And now I'm actually going to just add the chicken, and then we're adding half of a cup of half and half. Half a cup of half and half. Jason's helping me with the lighting. And then I'm gonna add one whole block of fat-free cream cheese. And then I'm gonna put this, I'll leave it on high for the next 30 minutes. I'm gonna give it a good stir. And then this is what's gonna make it creamy, you guys. And for 1 cup, it's only 1 point. So I'm gonna put the lid on, and then I'll show you guys what that looks like after. Hey guys, so I'm back. My chili is done, but I'm gonna show you how I make my overnight oats. This is jam-packed with carbs, and that is what's going to keep you full. Morning time for me, from when the time I wake up till noon, I don't get to eat. I can snack, but I'm not a huge snacker. I like meals. So I'm gonna be showing you what you need for overnight oats. So what you need is just some old-fashioned oats. You're gonna use 1/3 of a cup. Some almond milk of your choice. You can use unsweetened. Indy always has to get a drink when I'm filming. I chose vanilla unsweetened, half a cup of that. Here I have half of my banana mashed. I only had 1 really ripe banana. My other ones are sitting on that little rack thing to get ripened. To get ripened. So for now, just make 1 for now. I would typically make like 2 or 3, but I can make them tomorrow, no big deal. And then you just need some sort of jar, some sort of container. You can use Tupperware, whatever you have. Don't go out and buy a ton of these just to make these. You can literally use whatever you have. And then what's going to kick it up a notch is the peanut butter, the PB2. So let's go ahead and make these really quick. Okay, guys, so what I did here was just mash up my banana. Bear with me with the lighting. It's 11 o'clock at night. I'm a night owl and I will suffer for it in the morning, but it is what it is. So what I'm going to do is just add my 1/3 cup of oats into my mason jar, and then my half a cup of milk. You guys can use any type of milk you want. You do not have to use almond milk. You can use oat milk. I heard that's really, really good. You could use water, I mean, if you really wanted to, but it won't be as good and creamy. So, or you could just use skim milk. You can use lactose-free milk if you're lactose intolerant. So yeah, and then I'm gonna add our peanut butter. The lighting's gonna change. I'm using this little light that I have. It's supposed to go underneath my counter here, but she's not really working right now. So we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of PB2. All right, and then we're just gonna mix it up. And then this will be ready for you in the morning. I'm gonna use my other half of the banana here to cut up and put on top. So yeah, you can just grab this. Since I drive a half an hour to work tomorrow, where I'm training, I can just eat this in the car ride. So actually, I'm not gonna do that because they get gross. Jace, does bananas get gross in the morning, like overnight?
Once you're on the peel, I would say yes. I don't know about if it sits in a liquid or a sauce.
Well, worst case scenario, I can peel them out. So.
I wouldn't think if they're in a sauce, I would say they should be fine. Or, you know, because...
Yeah.
I'm trying to think what else has bananas in it besides...
Oh, banana cream pie.
Yeah, but does that have full bananas?
Yeah. Okay, you guys. So, me and Jason were trying to decide if bananas get gross. If they sit in like a jar like this, but I don't know. If they're gross in the morning, this one was really ripe. So, yeah, Jason thinks they'll be fine too. So, I'm just gonna let these sit overnight. I put the banana on top. If I need, I will add a stevia packet in the morning, but I don't think I'm gonna need to. So yeah, that is that. And you just put it on like this. And then I typically, like right now, I would have made like at least 2 or 3 of these. But since it literally takes 5 seconds, you can just throw it in the fridge at night and make these every single night for work in the morning. Super simple breakfast. Okay, you guys, look at this chili. Are you kidding me? It looks so freaking good. I cannot wait to eat this. I'm gonna turn my crock pot off, let it cool down, and I'm gonna dish this up for work. I don't know if Jason's gonna eat any of this for lunches this week, but I'm definitely going to split this into 8 servings ish, but that is that. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this week's meal prep. I really enjoyed making this, and this will definitely be an every week thing because I will be working day shift now, so I have to plan my meals out. I like to eat intuitively kinda, and just kind of eat like when I'm hungry, or eat, you know, like when I want to eat. I've been the type to kind of meal prep, so this is definitely new for me. It's very weird, but it is what it is. So I hope that you guys like these recipes. I will be linking the white chili chicken down below. I got it from the Skinny-ish dish. You guys have probably already seen it 100 million times, but I figured I would show you guys how I kind of made it. She actually only calls for like 4 ounces of cream cheese, but I put in a whole block, so because I use the fat-free. So there's always like renditions you can always modify and stuff. So yeah, and then the overnight oats, they're gonna be delish. I'm so excited. And then for supper this week, we don't know what we're having yet. I don't know what to have, so I didn't grocery shop for meals for dinner. I kind of plan on doing that tomorrow night when I get home from work. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you guys stick around. But on that note, I'm gonna go hit the sack. Gotta get up early, gotta work, gotta do what you gotta do. And I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.